Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization's activation server. Make sure you are connected to your organization's network and try again in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it over here. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. After getting this message, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to copy the second command and paste it. After pasting the second command, press enter. You just need to wait for a few seconds guys. After getting this message, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.